Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much again for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic and phenomenal day. Taking a look here at Solana, seeing what's going on. I want to start by saying thank you very much for just liking the videos and commenting. If you take a look here really quick, just to give you perspective, we got 121 likes on our Solana video from yesterday, almost 2,000 views. That's kind of a higher number for me, which is awesome, and 23 new subscribers. So congrats, welcome on board. Hope I can continue to shoot you straight here. And the general consensus on Solana is don't short it right now. It doesn't make a ton of sense. Bitcoin is looking like it's kind of back on track, even though it's been a pretty big fake out king lately. We've been taking some nice profits to the downside and potentially the upside here soon. So just kind of heads up on that, okay? So either way you look at it, let's go ahead and jump into the Backend Data, kind of see where we're at with liquidation levels, etc. Obviously, consider hitting the like button if you could, please. Awesome, appreciate that. Oh, future reference too. Take advantage of this exclusive offer through Bitunix. Excellent rewards. Link down below for that. Check it out. Got a lot of new people coming over there and really liking their platform. We love it. We've been working with them for over a year and it's pretty awesome. So let's take a look here at the backend data. We can kind of see on the left-hand side, this is the last 7 days liquidation. And as we discussed yesterday, there's a lot of liquidation at 170 to 173 to be swept. And obviously the price ran right towards that level, consolidated at that range, retested that previous high as a new low, and has since not looked back. That's standard trading 101, folks. Always look for when the price breaks out to try to get back in at entry at that previous resistance level. It's common for the price to continue higher, unless it's just a quick little pump and dump. That can happen sometimes. But Solana showed so much strength yesterday leading into that. It was unreal, pretty awesome. So again, key takeaway here is don't short Solana. We got about 1.5 billion in liquidation delta for longs, basically implying that we have a lot more longs in the market than shorts, which is obviously a good sign. That's another reason not to short into it. However, I do want to give you a quick disclaimer. You can use this to your advantage when the price is overextended for too long. So just say Solana stays in this range or continues higher for the next 2 or 3 days, and we get this delta to be way high for too long. Generally speaking, when you see like a good 3 or 4 days worth of extremely high liquidation, the price is going to reverse itself. And again, it kind of coincides with the fact that things come in waves of 3, right? You got like 3 green days followed by a red day. It's that natural capitulation. So while we are about a day and a half into this continuation, there's a distinct probability we're going to see a little bit more price action to the upside moving forward because of that, okay? Again, you don't take trades based on that, but if you have a lot of other confirming factors and that's also present, it gives you more confidence that going up than down makes more sense. We can see open interest here. Most people have the most amount of open interest at 170. I feel very happy about that. And the reason why is because that was a previous high, and a lot of folks got in there as that when the price came back down to retest that range. Okay, so that's good. Or obviously those are breakout traders, which I would recommend not being a breakout trader. But generally speaking, when coins are this strong and you retest a resistance level multiple times, you can essentially trade into a breakout and be fine. Anyways, good stuff there for Solana on the back end. So let's look at the daily time frame, work our way down. We'll go ahead and clear out this liquidation range. Keep in mind this lower area is still present. Chart looks a little funny, of course, when we squeeze in here, but when I was reviewing this yesterday, the consensus is that we're truly bullish on most timeframes. At least that was yesterday. It'll probably reaffirm itself today. We're going to be looking for overextensions to see if there's any potential turnaround, key level supports as well. But based on this here currently, and again, I'll update our fibs and I'll post our playout chart on Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. If you're not familiar, it looks a little something like this, where I kind of give you insight on where I think is going to happen next with certain coins. By the way, I wouldn't recommend shorting Bitcoin at the moment. Let's take a look though. Daily time frame. Quick little understanding here. We're above all moving averages. We talked about that yesterday. Still good. We were soon to test RSI at 70. Now that we've broken free, you do not short this coin. Okay, it's really simple to understand. When you break above 70 in the RSI, I don't care how high it goes, until it comes back down, you do not secure profit. That's generally the consensus. So am I telling you to take a long right now? Not exactly, but you're going to find way more success taking a long in the 170 to 177 range than you would shorting in that range. Okay, and the main reason why is because this coin has broken through a key level resistance, a threshold, that 170 range that we talked about, and is super, super bullish right now. There's no other way around it. The money flow index is still above the RSI. That will be like the same for quite a while. Keep in mind this is a daily time frame, so it takes a little while for it to slow down. So when we look at turnarounds or potential for turnarounds, we want to look at the 4-hour time frame. And that's what we're looking at here. We are still above the 20-day SMA, as we mentioned yesterday. That's this short-term ascending trend. Awesome. We love to see that. That's a fantastic sign. When we take a look here, of course, as well, we can see our RSI is broken free from 70 on the 4-hour time frame. Same exact scenario applies. So do not consider securing profits until the RSI comes back down below 70. Okay. Now I'd recommend that being the case here more specifically on the 4-hour than the daily, because this is a better confirming time frame for turnaround. So if you're going to be kind of trading with shorter time frames, this would be the recommended consideration for you. Okay. So again, stochastic swinging up, money flow index above that, awesome stuff here. MACD converging, everything is truly bullish here at this point. So the easy way to understand this is do not consider shorting if you're going to consider a long, potentially a long in the 170 range if it even gets there. Okay, hypothetically, you buy the next dip because it will and should bounce off its previous resistance, which is the upper range of this previous bullish rectangle. Last but not least, the hourly time frame is kind of letting us know that we're still in great shape. There's no consideration for selling. All green lights here, 100% good to go. There's literally nothing here telling us you want to consider shorting. So in the big picture, what I'll do is I'll post our playout chart on Twitter, Telegram, and Discord, but easy way to understand it is the local high here, basically where we had a lot of daily candlestick closures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 attempts to break through that level of 185. So my money is 185 being a significant retracement area if the price continues to run higher. Once more, I'll update our playout chart and I'll provide us with some updated FID levels here, and that'll be available for you on our Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. But I just want to say thanks again to everyone who's been amazing, supportive, and excellent parts of my life. Thank you again so much for that. We'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have yourself a great rest of your day. Take care.